Hello everybody, moin an alle, schön, dass ihr da seid and welcome to the Propz Show. Let's go. Today's stream is gonna be in English, so just saying now at the beginning for everybody. Aber trotzdem ein kurzes, schönes Hallo an diesem Freitag. Ich hoffe, es geht euch gut. Danke, Eva. Frankie, Glückwunsch zu deinem First Setter. Congratulations. Schön, dass du da bist. Moin, Barnabas. Tickly, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Bon dia. Hey, Fox, schön, dass du da bist. Moin, Eva. Barnabas, habe ich gerade Hallo gesagt, ne? Doch. Ja, schön, dass ihr alle da seid. Welcome to the stream. I hope everybody is doing amazing. I hope you had a good week. Tell me about it. How was your week? What about the highlights, lowlights? How are you guys doing? And yeah, so the watch streak is on fire right now. So a lot of people watching every single stream, which is crazy. 7 stream streak. Wow. That's crazy. Ganz liebe Grüße. Das habe ich auch so noch nie gelesen, Fox, glaube ich. Galligrü. So guys, how are you guys doing? How was your week? Everybody doing good? Fine, better, or did anybody have some lowlights, some challenges, or what? Today we're going to continue the work where we stopped yesterday, working on the bot. So we just built the raffle giveaway logic yesterday, and yeah, I think I'm going to polish it today. And we're also going to work on the Spotify thing where you can check your queue. And whatever. Wärst am Mittwoch nicht weg gewesen, wärst schon 8. Das stimmt. Aber 7 ist schon... It's not bad, Barnabas. 7 days in a row watching my stream. That is kind of crazy. I just need more sleep. Yeah, Eva, let's go. I actually am... waking up a little bit early this week, but it is just how it is, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah, I'm just awake, and it's strange because I'm not used to being awake that early, and early I mean like 7:30. Yesterday I was I got up at actually 7:15 in the morning, and the last time that happened is a long time ago, so I don't know, I'm kind of waking up early, but actually just staying in the bed until, I don't know, 8 or whatever, 8:30, and then only then getting up. Also, Tickly, you also need more sleep. You need to go earlier to bed. Probably this is one of the things that you need to do. And I hope you guys are ready for some good flow today. It's bed a little late, yeah. I was up until 2 a.m. I'm definitely not smart. That's what you said. And I think we went to bed like it's 0:30, like midnight. We nearly never go before midnight to bed. But it's kind of enough. I need like 7.5 hours max sleep, and then I'm just good. Around 23. Okay. Yeah. So probably like half midnight, half 1. Hey, Peretzet, good morning. Welcome to the stream. How was your week? And again, Frankie, I'm proud of you also getting into the race of the first chatters. First time, first chatter today, Frankie. Very, very nice. Okay. Hey, Maximum Good. Welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for the follow. Here's your proof. So you're the maximum good that can happen to the stream today? Who knows? Welcome. I hope you're doing good. Mostly fine. Have to do a bunch of meetings today, and then finally we can. Okay, yeah. So meetings is yeah. So meetings that could be an email probably. Und Prost. But it said I really like your chat bubble. Gonna be honest, I really like it, and also from Mario, like this kind of ooh, but it said what? Siehst du das? Uff. Alter Vater. 8000 Nachrichten. Ich muss langsam die Sachen hier erhöhen. So this means you are first ranking, right? Chat ranking? Yeah. I mean, it happened a long time ago when you surpassed Hexa with the 7,000, but then from 7 to 8 it was pretty fast. You're not spamming at all, of course. What about the first ranking we got today? Yeah. It's not bad, not bad. I gotta redo my bubble. Yeah, I mean, you are free to go, Tickly. So that Mario and Peretzet made it like it's kind of shell style, and I think it's pretty, like, it's super nerdy, of course, but I think it looks pretty cool because we are here in the nerd bubble, right? So I think that's pretty nice. Okay, guys. Today we're going to continue the work on the bots. I'm going to do some refactor, like better code organization, code structure, where we started yesterday with the modules, which kind of make more sense for me now. Like, it totally makes sense for me, and so I need to yeah, I don't know, get, like, especially this Twitch utils file. This file is like huge, has a lot of different things, and I want to get put some of these functions in specific sub modules. Moin Kai, grüße dich, schön, dass du da bist. Willkommen. It's subs well done though. Yeah, totally. Feel free. So if you want to redo, if you want to style your own chat bubble, everybody's welcome to do that. The link is pinned on the chat box, but it's for subs only. So this is a special feature for everybody subbing. Kai, heute ist der Stream auf Englisch, nur mal so, weil normalerweise mache ich das am Mittwoch, aber da konnte ich nicht und deshalb mache ich das heute. Ich hoffe, es geht dir gut. Schön, dass du da bist. I'm doing good, Kai. So I think it was a nice week. I'm kind of happy because I just finished at least the first half of my project with the client. The client was happy, so this was actually pretty amazing. So yesterday I had a meeting with the client, and he just liked the design. He says it looks amazing. I just need to do some small rework, but like, it's nothing big. And this was like, it feels just good having happy clients again and doing some work that I really enjoy. And I'm really thinking about kind of doing stream designs for the community, I guess. I'm really thinking about that. Like for Toby, for example, I don't know if Mario is streaming more. Everybody who wants to stream, I think it could be nice, like, to do a stream design for the community. Muss mehr Englisch lernen, bin ich genau richtig hier. Auf jeden, Kai, auf jeden. Schön, dass es dir so weit gut geht. Ist doch gut. Yeah, so Kai, it's the same for me. So I think my English is fine, but if you get more practice and like also in our bubble, speaking more about business side, more about the tech side of things, I just hope that my English just gets better every time because there I have no where I'm speaking English. There's like no possibility for me. Of course, I'm watching series and movies in English, which helps, and everything on my PC is English. But like really speaking it and looking for the words and trying to make sense of what I say. This is the other challenge, and I just hope that my English gets better every time, and it's all practice. And I also actually want to learn more Spanish. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this on stream, but I wanted to get my Spanish better. If my Spanish gets better, I will be speaking 4 languages fluently, and this would be amazing. I'm looking forward to it. And this is only like natural language, uh, and not including all the programming languages that we all kind of work with. mm. Kai, womit nerdest du eigentlich rum? Habe ich dich das schon mal gefragt? Ich habe das Gefühl, ich weiß es gerade nicht. Erzähl mal gerne. Okay. Yeah, so we're going continue the work on the giveaway module. We were talking yesterday about the pick winner functionality. And I also ey, viel Spaß bei den Meetings bei der Z. Okay, I am thinking about reworking maybe the database just a little bit to get an ID. And also maybe, no, I don't need to insert the username. I don't need to get this. But when we pick a winner, I think it's actually smart to delete the winner from the database. So let's see. Const winner user ID will be this as string, and we're going to delete the user ID for the from the database, which I think is smart. So this is a simple delete from giveaway where user ID is winner user ID. So this is easy, and we return the winner user ID. Delete winner from DB. Winner user ID. So this, yeah, this is better. And also thinking, I'm also thinking about, I mean, we're saving the date. So if we want to get sure, we could see probably, let's see, I'm not sure what's inside the database. So the date, let's of course, this is already live and not locally. Okay, let's see. Let's try string. Let's go with a date string from giveaway. Let's build a query first. Query is select user ID from giveaway. And so date should be empty. If date, we can go with query where date is smaller than the date given. And also const values is an array. No, wait, what? Ah, no. This is for the query. I need to pass it, of course. So the thing is, I think I need to parse the date. Parse date from string. Parse static method. Yeah, so this should work. Date. So here we get the instance, results is query, and here we have to pass so yes, exactly. So if we have date, we're gonna pass the date parse date, and if not, only an empty array. It's a little bit hard to read here. Wollte aus Reflex die Spinne vom Display wischen, ist auch direkt unter meinen. Okay, this is probably just fine in one row here. I don't know if I need brackets. I think so, but actually I don't think so. So if date. Hey Mizzy, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? I think everything is working. We're doing fine. I'm doing fine. Everything is going well here. How about you? Good morning. Buenos dias, chico. Or chica. If date query where date. Huh. Okay. SQLite select date. Chico. Cabrón. Dates. This supports 7 scalar dates. time, datetime, Unix epoch. Okay. The date function returns the date as text in formats. The time function returns the time as text formatted. Hey, Draconia, welcome. Oh, thank you very much, Mizzy. Dates. Date, time.
Yeah, boy!
DMD's in the house. Welcome to the stream, DMD. It's like where date now, start of month, computer date and time given a Unix timestamp. Does not work for early. Unix epoch.
Oh, motherfucker.
Okay, this is strange. Oh, today is English Friday. Yes. Since I missed the stream on Wednesday, I thought today is the right day. Let's see what's going on there. Yeah, everybody's doing pretty well with the stream streak. This is amazing. Okay, again, reload and go. So this is strange because I said I want to save the data as an integer, but this is not what I was expecting at all. If you look at the database schema, I say date is an integer. So is there no type safety with SQLite? I guess no. I want to be an integer, and I'm inserting the data with the timestamp function, which is actually not fucking returning a timestamp that I would expect. Let's see. SQLite timestamp function. Yeah, exactly, DMD. You can't join all streams? What the fuck, DMD? What's wrong with you? So if I put in the day, Moria Hexex, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? How was your week? Time diff, time values. Time value. So I actually don't want to put in a time value, or maybe a now. So if I say date now, but as Unix epoch, function returns a Unix timestamp. The number of seconds since blah blah blah. Function normally returns an integer number of seconds, but with the optional subsec modifier, it will return a floating. Okay, this is probably the thing that I need here. I'm just to know if it will work as expected, since the current timestamp wasn't working. So let's try it out locally. Oh, I actually need to. It doesn't change. Wait, I need to delete. Next try. Oh, now it's working. So this is what I'm expecting. I expect an Unix timestamp. Okay. So this is the better function. So this is way easier for me. When I parse the date, it's just, this is a timestamp comparison is so much easier. So you know what? Else we're going to do you know what? Fuck it. I will always have the date in there. I will always have the date in there. So if date is given, I can parse the date and get. So what does the parse return? A number. Static method parses the string representation of a date and returns the date's timestamp. Exactly. Okay, this is exactly what I want. And if not, I will say date now. Which doesn't, I'm not sure if this makes sense. Doesn't make sense. But it's maybe just easier, whatever. Okay, but with the timestamp here, it's way better. Okay, so get the winner, delete the winner from the database, and then return it. So I think this is better. And here insert or ignore into giveaway, user ID, date is Unix epoch, which is also fine. On here, I am just returning the user ID, which should be fine. Let me just recheck this specific logic right here. Let's maybe add an alias. No, we don't need an alias. Okay, this Twitch data get user data pick winner, and this will be Twitch user data. Can I would like to go to whatever. Exactly, Draconia. You can win a cup. It's an amazing cup, actually. It's beautiful. I got it from Brazil just for the community. I forgot to do the actual giveaway raffle. It's very colorful from Floripa. It's the city where I've been to. This is the cup you can win. No, not with a Propz logo. It's from the city where I've been to in Brazil. And it's very colorful, of course, because it's Brazilian. But I don't know, at some point in the future, I think I will make some Propz cups, mugs. So then there's this funny thing here. We're going to do const users. Const, let's call it winners. Winners is an empty array. If options param and options, if options param and options param bigger than 1, we're going to loop it for e smaller than options param. Let's call it an int here. I will kill someone for the mug. Okay, let's go. Okay, you know what? No. Const winner count is options param, and so if options, wait, if this is set, if options param is set, and so this is not a 0, we're gonna parse in the options param, or it's just one winner. And then here we can loop the winner count. What the fuck happened? So it's gonna be a loop, but it's whatever. I'm afraid to report this to the author. You should, DMD, you should. So it starts with 0, winner count 1, so it just should run one time. And here we're gonna go with winners. Does it work as PHP? I'm not sure. I think it doesn't, right? Whatever. So there we'll pick a winner. It doesn't work, but so maybe we need to push it. Push a winner. So he will push an user ID. No, wait, this is bullshit. We're going to... Actually, this is true. I'm pushing the user data, not only the ID. So, if not winners, something went wrong. This is fine. And the last one we're going to replace with winners. So this is the part where I struggle in JavaScript. I want all the usernames here. Winners dot, I think, is entries. Get me all, no. maybe. No, yeah, I think, yeah, technically, I think it's map actually. I'm going to map. I struggle with this. Like, the thing is, I really like the array functions in JavaScript because you can do a lot, like in just one line, a lot of different combinations. But I don't remember then when I need to use them. So actually, I want. So in winners, we have objects from get user data. It's Twitch user data. And I just want from user data the username, and I want to join it. So this is an array. I want to map from all entries only the username and join it as one string. So I'm going to map value is, yeah, it's just a user, right? So this is user data from type Twitch user data. And I want the user data. Actually, it's just user here because we're going to loop every user. So it's just user dot name. Right? Not right? No overload matches this call. What about filter? Map will give me another array, right? But I want to filter them. No, I don't want to filter them. What the fuck? I always... JS array get all array with objects join with one value, whatever. I don't know what to search for. So here is what it's trying to do. Pluck. This is something that could work. If you want to map objects or to something, I think array prototype map is what you're looking for if you want to call functionality. If you want to support all the browser, blah, blah, blah. I want pluck users. So this is he working? Users map XX name joined. I mean, this was my first attempt here, but which makes sense to me. But I don't know why is there an underscore? Where does this come from? Is he using? So it is map. Map return element name. Yes, it is map. So this is actually, it should be right with map. I have the user and I just want the username, and then at the end I want to join them with X. So, but this is not working. Why? Unreachable code? What the fuck are you talking about? Winners map and then join. This is PHP Storm. Blake. PHP Storm. I like it too. Actually, Blake, I like it too. This is possibly undefined. Const winner. I have another problem here, Chickling. I need to do it. I actually need to do it manually. While while I is smaller than winner count, we're gonna get a const winner. Because this could be undefined. If not winner, continue. If everything is fine, we push the winner and we count it up. Because winner could be undefined, so this is actually my problem here. So now it's there's no error message because there was a possibility that this could be undefined. So we need to check, is there actually a user that matches the user ID? If not, doesn't matter, we need to continue, and only if the winner is there we need to count up, and then this should work fine. And when this is done, this should work too, because it's just winners map and join. Yeah, exactly, Tickly. It's what I've already done. It's already there, so this should work probably, maybe, I don't know. This is actually, I just want the name and join them with the ads. It's just for picking the winner, you know. But this, it's kind of a little bit too much logic in me here for me here, but it's also, I don't know. I don't want the logic to be inside of here, so yeah, I need to, yeah, whatever. Let's go back. I want the logic to be in here. We need the count. Number is 1. So get the DB, get the results. So this is where it comes in. So let's call it winner count. Winner count should be 1. We can do if not winner count, just return ba. Actually, this is bullshit. Winner count should be just 1. It will always be 1. So we have here, this is nothing that we want. We're gonna we want the winner array here. Winners is a string, and we just want the giveaway pick winner, which is actually here. This is what happens here. Const results is we get the user ID from giveaway. No, wait. This is dump. Okay. Whatever. We're getting there. So give me all the results. If not results, something went wrong. You know what? Ask the shitty coder. So we need results. This is fine. So now we need to loop it. We're going to push a random ID, and then we're going to delete the ID. So get winner ID, push it to the winners, delete it from the database, and bah. So if winner's empty, there's something wrong. And we return winners. And the return is a string array. Or string, actually. Maybe string array or null. Undefined is fine. So this could be undefined. If something goes wrong, just return it here. So open up the database, create a winners array, select all participants, loop until like the number of winner counts, push the user ID. So this is where things, so I think it could be better to get more information in here. You know what? I'm going to change the query right here. But particularly, you can, like, nearly every IDE supports VS Code shortcuts. In PHP Storm, you can just choose the VS Code shortcuts. Most of them support them. Yeah, so the next thing is I need to update the query. For the join, give me the join. There you go. So select bow selector. Yeah, this is actually wrong, whatever. It's not done yet. Select select G user ID, U name, I think. It's just name. And U name. From giveaway G, left join Twitch users on user ID, left join Twitch users U on G user ID. This is exactly what I want. Where date. So the result here would be an array with the user ID and the name. So I don't want winner's user ID is an object. Let me be lazy, okay? It's fine, Tickly, it's fine. Join users. So this should be right? Left join E U on user UID. Date parse, whatever. So if not results return, of course, and winners is not a string array. How can I map this? I don't know, whatever. And when we get something, we push the whole object, which is also an array. It's an array of arrays, kind of. And then we delete from the B where user ID is user ID. No, this is actually an array, not an object. Where is 1? 0, actually. 0 is the user ID. This is a string. What's the fucking problem here? Element implicit as any type because of expression of type 0 can't be used to index type number. What? This is a fucking array here when I use ID. Can I write it like that? This is actually a string array. No, wait. Here. What the fuck is going on, motherfucker? So winner user ID is actually a string array. I don't need to cast it. So, but what's the problem here? I hate fucking TypeScript. Why does it have an any type if I push it as a string array? Where delete from giveaway where user ID is winner user ID 0. You stupid. This is a string of arrays, an array of strings, I mean. What's the fucking problem in here? I don't get it. Query. Why is winner user their fucking number? Ah, the fuck. So first I pick the fucking winner, then I push it. Okay, now I get it. This is just a little bit dumb, baby. Now it's working, yes, of course. So we get the winner, then we push it because we have to delete from winner user ID. So winner user, it's not the ID, but it's the winner user actually. Then we delete it, we count up. So if there aren't winners, we return. And if everything is working, we return the winners. This is not a string array. This is a fucking string array, I guess. Like this. We have an array of arrays. Yes, this makes sense. So, okay, that doesn't need to be that complicated, but I think this should work. Because I want the logic right here, because this is like too blown up here, the logic right here. So if we want the winners, we're gonna pick the giveaway pick winners actually. Let's rename the pick winners. Pick winners. And we're going to pass the option here. Because I missed the Wednesday English stream, so today's gonna be English, Dinya, and welcome. How are you doing? Giveaway, pick winners, options, parent parts, and blah blah blah. So there are the winners. Const winner count. So I'm going to make actually the same thing here. Winner count is this because we need to loop it twice. Winner count comes in here. Then we loop it. What are we going to do here? So these are the winners. So this is already an array with the username. I don't need to do anything else. If we don't have any winners, something went wrong. Shitty color. And here we need to map. This is no object, so this is the problem. So inside is an array. We need the name actually. The name is in one, and then we join it. Yes, doing good. Thanks for asking. What about you? I'm doing good too. So I'm coding right now on the bot. We're implementing some new features. The one that I built yesterday is the giveaway feature, so we can actually do some giveaways on the stream. And it's doing pretty well. So now I'm kind of polishing it, making a little bit better, making a better logic and a bit more like ways to make it more dynamic for me. Like for example, picking more than just one winner. This is what I just built. So yeah, but the main logic is here. And then I'm going to build some logic, some new features for the Spotify implementation. Did you manage to understand Docker and Dockerize the bot? Yeah, I managed to understand Docker, like the basics. I am not interested in Dockerize the bot right now. So Docker is adjourned for the future. I just wanted to get the basics. I managed to do another project in Docker, and I mean the PreDB, so the front end for the PreDB. I created the development version for the project, and also inside the development project, I was able to build the project and then create another image from the build and serve it from Docker. So this is the thing that I managed to work out. So the bots, I don't know. There is parts that could make sense with Docker, but this is for the future, I guess. But I got the basics, I think. Like the basics are fine. Now I need more use cases for that, of course. Coder, gonna map it. So this should work, maybe. What's happening here? This is not important. So now we can get multiple. For now, I'm not going to delete the winners from the database because I need to test it. Yeah, I guess so, right, Nina? I guess so. I mean, I need to practice the Docker Compose file. So to create a Docker image, I think the basics are fine. And if you really need something, I will get it going. But the Docker Compose, of course, there are more possibilities there. But I mean, I got the basics, and I think the rest is just trial and error when I really need something. So everybody inside in the chat, please type in Klasse Tasse, which means amazing mug. If you want to join the giveaway, but it's just a test, so I'm not giving away it right now. But I need more users inside of the giveaway database. Yeah, this is working. This is good. Pylon, hey Pylon, welcome to the stream. So today I also don't have it in my head which flag to use or mimic Docker Compose. Okay. Hey Tuguldur, welcome to the stream. Welcome again. Nice to have you around. So this looks good. So now let me test this. So I have the win. Win will pick one user. Draconia. Okay, now let's pick two users. Win 2. It works! Win 3. Yes! Dude, please. This is fucking first try. Okay, I'm actually pretty amazed right now. This is first try. So this is another proof that I am getting better at this stuff. I'm not doing shit with Elixir. So I'm getting better at this stuff. I'm pretty proud of myself. If I don't win the real thing, I'll be sad. So I think will be a nice Christmas present. So I mean, I'm still polishing it, but maybe we can start with the real giveaway, like, I don't know, midst of November for a couple of weeks, and then we'll be there for Christmas. Thanks, Damon, and welcome also to the stream. Have fun in the lurk. And Green Brains, Moin, and welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing good. So this just worked first try. Join giveaway. This is also fixed. This is better. The start giveaway is fine. Nothing special there. So now I think I can delete the users from the giveaway. Another German streamer, do a for connect tournament where you need to write a bot for. Guess which language I'm using. You mean the coding buddies, or they love to do the challenges, right? I guess you did something amazing in first try. I mean, amazing. I don't know. It's just like, I'm just happy when something works first try. This means that my logic, the way that I code, was good, and this makes me proud. Yeah, okay, Grimmers. I totally get it. The one problem with Cluster Tasse is that this is not internationalized. But you know what? I'm sorry, I won't ship. I'm not sure if I want to ship the mug internationally. Twitch user data is not needed anymore. This is right. It feels good in it. Definitely. Okay, this is good. So the giveaway could be kind of finished right now. This is good. I just have the user ID and the date. This is enough for the giveaway. Everybody with everybody with the 7-day stream streak here. Let's go. Okay, this is nice. I want to commit this because it's actually done. And like I've said, I wanted the logic inside of the winners here. This is good. So let's go with yeah, this is fine. So let's edit. We updated the Twitch commands, of course, and the giveaway file. Yes, this is definitely right. What? Fucking hell. The fuck? Was ist für eine verfickte Scheiße hier mit ZSH, ey? Fick dich doch. Mein Gott. Du kannst keine fucking Ausrufezeichen da reinmachen. Bist du dumm oder was? So eine Scheiße, das ist innerhalb von einem Scheiß-String, ey. Sorry. Mein Gott. Meine Güte. Halt deine Schnauze, ey. Sorry, Ninja. Geh mir nicht auf die Eier. Sorry, ich bin gerade wirklich angepisst. Ist gleich vorbei. Lass mich bitte kurz in Ruhe. Escape, ein scheiß Escape, ich, Alter. Soll einfach funktionieren, diese Scheiße. So. Kurz aufregen, dann ist gut. Alles gut. Seven Hero, schön, dass du da bist. Willkommen. Today is an English stream. I just needed to let off some steam in German because it was really pissing me off. It doesn't make sense for me that when I'm inside of like a string with parentheses, I am not allowed to post specific chars for ZSH, ZSH. And it just annoys me. Annoys me a little bit more, maybe, but it's fine now. I just needed to let off some steam. Seven Hero, how are you doing? How was your week? Genau, Nina, alles gut, alles gut. So kurz eine Minute. Hätte ich mal jetzt eine Pulsuhr, dann so. It's fine, it's fine. So this is done. Seven Hero, how was your week? Damon, so I'm working on my bot. I just yesterday and today, like I just polished the giveaway feature. So now I can make giveaways via the bot here. Yeah, like I built it yesterday and today was now just a little bit of polish, so it works better. And I want to do a small refactoring of the bot. So I have, I want to put more code inside of the modules. So I want to build more modules. So my code is, just the organization of the code just gets better, and it's more about readability. So I have one specific file here, the Twitch utils, and this file is full of different functions, and some of them make sense to be here, but I think a lot of them, they're not really in the right spot here, the right place. So I want to, even if it's just maybe just one or two functions, I think it's better inside of the module. So for example, I have here a function, it's called add quote or get quote. This should be a quote module, you know what I mean? I don't need to make this file so huge. I actually want to make, it just makes more sense in an object-oriented way. To every feature is a module that I can load in or I can load out. So this is what I'm doing right now. I want to build more modules here so it makes more sense, and it's easier to find, easier to maintain. This is, I think this is one of the big things that I'm. Genauso bin ich drauf, wenn ich mir die Twitch API angucke. Ja. I have for at least for JavaScript, TypeScript, I'm working with an amazing Twitch API library, which does a lot of the work. So yeah, so far so good. Yesterday I took a day off. I visited this Spielemesse Essen. Oh, okay, nice. So 5 more hours and weekend. Nice. Okay, so it sounds like fun, 7 Hero. How are you? How are the projects going? I am doing very good. Moin, willkommen zum Stream. Schön, dass du da bist. 7 Hero, I'm doing very good. Yesterday I just closed the project. Like, I started a project that I did in the last couple of days. And yesterday I had a meeting with the client and he really liked the design. He loved it. So this is nearly done, and next week, like on Thursday, we're going to install everything that he needs, so he gets it working. He gets it working. I think this makes, yeah, okay, whatever. And it was a design, like it's, you can compare it to a stream design, but it's not for streaming. He's actually wants to record tutorials with his with OBS. So it is like kind of this what you're seeing right now, a stream design, but not for streaming, but actually for recording and also for his online meetings. This is my first project in this part, and I want to do more of them. So yes, and I'm super happy that the client liked it. I can show you the final results, I guess. This is not the final result. This is the final result. So, and the client, he's selling he has an e-commerce project. It's about Magento, moving from Magento 1 to Magento 2. So it's one move 2 is the brand, and he wants there. I can explain it in English. Even in German, it's a little bit hard, but whatever. So this is how it looks like. This is like the start screen with the logo animation that we worked also on stream. So this is the one-on-one with the logo, like also the animation going up. So this is the animation where the desktop comes in. This is a pause screen. So this is just very easy. I'm going to create more scenes for him, but yeah, this is kind of the first impression, and he really liked it. This is what I was doing the last days. Gotta bully other streamers into buying your makeover. Yeah, I'm not really sure if the streamers like can afford it, Mario, you know. But I was already, so Mario just came into the stream, and also, but I don't know, did I say hello to you? I guess so. I was thinking about actually also making a raffle for Primogen can afford it. Yeah, actually he can, yes. But they don't care, and this makes me sick that a lot of streamers don't care about their stream design, because for me it's very important. And I mean, why should he care? He has like 1 million followers or whatever, so it's clear he doesn't need it. But yeah, it's just the camera and the desktop. It's like, I don't know, I don't like it. It looks like shit, even though, yeah, whatever. But I was thinking about also giving away one stream design like every couple of months, or just an idea. Are participating in this year's Advent of Code. It's only 12 days long this year. So, Nina, I'm always very busy in December. The first December week, I'm not there. I'm gonna be. But is it like? Yeah, maybe, Nina. I was thinking about it also last year. I thought this would be good for this year, but you know, December is very busy, and I mean, I would need to focus everything in the stream to the Advent of Code, right? I can use a nice stream design. Okay, so a couple of guys here inside of the community can use a stream design, so would be also. I think it's just a nice idea to give away stream design, and then we could create a design on stream, and yeah. Okie dokie, let's continue. But Nina, I am very interested in Advent of Code. Like, I never did it. I like my stream design. I can't remember actually. I can only remember. Okay, Ninja, das ist jetzt gemein, aber I can only remember the good ones. Ich muss auch mal zurück Pisacken zwischendurch, weißt du? I need to fight back sometimes. Okay, let's go back to the code. So we did the giveaway. Now let's actually focus on the. It's not outstanding, but also not lame. So it sounds fine. Let's create the quote thing. So we get quote. Yeah, so we have add quote. Okay, let's create the quote. This makes actually a lot of sense to order this in modules. This actually makes really sense. So we need to add quote and get quote. I mean, I can just actually copy the whole thing here. Yeah, so now it's more about small refactor and making the project just better. Yeah, I know, Mario. So I guess it's just fair to say for myself that I'm looking forward to kind of a very hardcore code challenge. So we have the quote, and the next thing is inside of the bot data. Get quote, yes. So we're going slowly moving from one to another. So what do we need here? We need to import the chat message type. and also import YouTube, import database, get from numbers from helper. Maybe you are the chosen one that just cuts through the complexity like it's nothing. Mario, I'm gonna be honest with you. Last year, I just read the introduction and I was like, what the fuck are they talking about? And it was just like the description of it was just the context. Has nothing to do with code. I think it's even to understand the task is the first or probably the hardest thing to do is to actually understand each day's task. Never read it. Because I was reading the first thing, like it was just the context, and I was like, dude, I don't understand. Like I just understand the half of it, and how I'm supposed to code something if I don't understand the context and what it's all about. So import type chat message from Turtle Chat. We have YouTube. Just guess from the example what Eric wants me to do. Who is Eric? So we had a quote. We have chat message. We have YouTube. So this is a problem with the stream start time. What about here? Twitch Go. I need to import a Twitch quote. And also import, wait. Twitch quote and Twitch quote row. Let's get the log function here. So what is get message? I know this is also a helper function. The creator. Okay. You just guessed from the example. Now I get it. Okay. Twitch quote game name. I'm not sure if this here is kind of that important. Last ID, add quote. Oh, there's also the add quote in bot data. So this is the one that I need. So we have a quote. If not quote, is it possible there is no quote? I'm not sure if this is actually not possible. So quote will be there. So we don't need a return here. So let's try the database is right here. So const db is database get instance. We query insert into Twitch quotes, date category, blah, 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 blah. All good. And we return nothing. This is not important. We catch the error and then we return the actual fucking message. Or maybe there is an error. Wait, what? I removed the log. I'm deleting too many things here. What the fuck? So we're going to log, and then we're going to return something went wrong. Ask the streamer to fix it. And here we get the message. Just type quote. Language, okay. Actually, okay, wait, I actually need to return the value. Where is it? Last inserted ID. Wait, there you go. Catch, and yes, let's do a finally here. Return the DB last inserted row ID to string. This is what we're talking about. And then we just need to replace the count on the command. Let's put the DB in here. What is wrong here? Unsafe usage of return statement will most likely lead to undesired behavior. Why? Okay, whatever. Then no, finally. Yeah, I need to get an instance here. So we insert it. If something goes wrong, we can check the errors. Inserted or 1. So this will not work because we still need the stream context. We have the chat message. But this is actually hard coded. Won't work either way. Const db database get instance. Ba-ba-bam. Date. Ba-ba-bam. Ba-ba-bam. Ba-ba-ba. So let's put this back to as it was before. Okay, so the get quote should work right away. The add quote, well, I'm not sure about the YouTube video. So I'm still trying to get a YouTube live video stream ID. So currently I'm not streaming to YouTube, but I actually like the this function, this feature that he automatically links to the right time But let's go back here. The stream is a helix stream. I'm not sure. Maybe I just need to pass the helix stream. Let's go back to Twerple API. Where's the helix stream? We have game ID, blah, 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 start date. I already have the start date. Wait, what? The time when the stream started is from type date. Okay, this is good. So, this is quote. We have static async or async static, whatever. Static get quote, because we just need the functions here. So no get message. So we have the chat message and we have the stream, which will be from type helix stream. And let's add the type import here. Type helix stream. Let's go. Here's at Propz. So this is looking good. This is the quote. So the helix stream. Current stream object. And we need the stream date timestamp, which should be a function, I guess. Oh, it's actually start date. Start date is from type date, so I can get the timestamp. Timestamp should be, now I'm not sure if this is, yeah, this is milliseconds. So I actually am already making the math there. And so, but stream could be undefined. Could it? So video timestamp is math floor. Just make it like this. If nothing's there, it's a 0. Left operand is never nullish. Really? No, you know what? This is actually the wrong check. The right check is stream start date. If yes, we can make the math, and if not, just give me a 0. Looks like you're working with too much opacity right there, but it seems to work. Is it working as intended? Get quote will return will return a string, actually, right? And the add quote will also return a string. Looks good. No? No, you will never be able to import a custom font. This is definitely right. My preview looked a lot different. I mean, people are, I don't know. It's working for most of them. I don't know what you're doing. Yes, exactly, Mario. We don't want comic code. So this is the quote in here. The thing that I need to do is actually go back to the Twitch commands and we need add quotes. So we're going to import the quote here. And when we want to add the quote, so this is going to be interesting here. We are going to return, await this add quote. This is not what I want. We want to return, oh, there will be never a stream object in here with the handler. Maybe I should pass it with the Twitch command options. I think this would be a good one. So, we need const quote number is quote add quote with the options message object. Wait, I don't need a message object, or do I? What am I doing? Chat message, parent message, check, sanitize, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I actually need the message object to insert. This is right. So, and then we return options, return message, return message, replace count with quote number. Search replace quote number. What? Ah, we still need a stream here. Okay, this is actually something for the future. Let's see, when I process a chat command, this fire command, convert to simple user, get command from message, const command. So when do I set the stream? The stream. Let's see when the stream starts. On stream online. I set the stream here. Okay, so this should work. Try. Okay. So stream should be available, at least, of course, when I'm streaming. So when I go back here, no, not there. It's actually, I need to update the type for Twitch chat, Twitch command options. So we have the sender, power message, blah, blah, blah. Or we have stream here, which could be helix, stream, or null. Import type helix stream from Twirple. The fuck are you talking about? Okay, so this is the Twitch command options with the stream. Now we need to add it to the actual part. So it's here. So let's pass in the stream. This stream. So now I don't need to, I actually need to, here I'm passing the options stream. Still makes no sense with the fucking quote number. Why no overload matches call? The last overload. This is an ace. Okay. Async. We need to await. Oh no, it's await actually. Await the quote. Add quote. Now it's not a promise anymore. Okay, nice. This could work. So this is, oh my fucking god, I was working on the wrong part. This is add joke and not add quote. Grrr. Okay, whatever. Quote number. So this should be the same thing for joke number, I guess. Add, let's call it joke. Add joke. No, wait. You know what? I'm not doing that. I'm going to commit every single feature. So this is the first one. We're going to focus now on the quote. Rike, how are you doing? Welcome. Guys, I actually want to make a small break right now. It's nearly 2 hours. I'm like, we're doing good. We're doing some small refactoring here, making the code better. And thank you very much for watching, for spending some time with me. Small break, 10 minutes. Refactoring the best, yes. Gonna come back in 10 minutes, okay? Just small break. Thank you all, and see ya. One idea for refactoring, good idea to split events in name states, action states. Add quote, function, etc. So use the main action, add, and this action you define the event. Quote function. I think I know what you mean, but I'm not sure. Like, I mean, for the main quote type, I think this makes sense. Like it's quote, add, and quote get. Because of course it's a little bit redundant, right? So it's quote, add. But these are not, these are like every command, this is like a single command. So this is how I add commands and use them. And for every command, I need something different. I don't know if it. Thought you have to call them add joke. No. But I mean, it makes sense here, right? So add, remove. So this is so this makes sense definitely for the quote, and also like for the giveaway. Giveaway start. Giveaway pick winners. Giveaway join. So giveaway join. And giveaway start would be just giveaway start. I like for this specific thing, I like it. I'm not sure if I would change the other one, but so this would be return giveaway get. No, wait, quote get. No. So these are the quotes. What about this here? Delete from it. This is fine. Let's test this first. So this should still work. Let's start up the bot. So let's go with no, wait, I actually need to start this locally. I don't want to mess up the production database. So you can use it for partner to partner Proton Pass, partner Proton VPN. I don't know too, Rick, if this is more complicated or not. So I'm not changing this right now, so I'm focusing on the object-oriented part. This will be something else that we can look at in the future. This is the stream. Yeah, this is good. Like for now, I don't see it, but I want to focus first on the basic modules here. So rewrite some of the functions to actual modules, so the code just should get better, like them and maintain more maintainable. Okay, this is quote, but so quote data, which I don't need this anymore. Okay, this is 2. This is also 2. Okay, now let's test this again. And now give me a quote. So this is working, the get quote command. And now let's test whatever, add quote saved. So this looks good. When we go to our add quotes, Twitch quotes, it's working. So yeah, it's dude, like everything is working first try here. What the heck? This is not normal. This is not normal. So we built the quote with add and get. Next will be joke, but let's commit this first. To remove get quote and add quote methods. Remove start giveaway to start and join. Renamed giveaway functions. Create quote module to handle quotes logic. Remove moved quote logic. Pass stream object to Twitch command options, of course. Refactor add quote and quote commands to use quote module. You know what? I don't need this here. Create quote module to handle quotes logic. Giveaway function. Okay, this, I think this is good. Let's add again and now commit. So nice. Next part is jokes. We're gonna go from the quote, and this is gonna be joke. So the part here, this is going to be 110.3. I'm not sure what I need here exactly, but we're gonna figure it out. Let's go to bot data and give me the joke. we have the get joke. So this comes right here. Get joke get joke ID blah blah blah. So this is not this db, but actually const db is database get instance. Nein, nur kleines Refactoring. Moin, Bumkuncham. Query entries joke. So this we need to import a Twitch joke row. And here maybe also the Twitch joke. Yes. Ba ba ba. Looks good. I don't think I need to refactor the get method at all. So this is fine. Removed from bot data. What about the add joke? So there is the add joke method. So no jokes anymore here. Yeah, this is done, the bot data. Now, Twitch utils. What about the jokes in here? So we have add joke. Yeah, this is the main logic. A joke. So this is an add, ba ba ba. And here we just need to take this try here, actually, and put it here. I think so I just need a chat message, log text, whatever, here now. Const db database get instance. This is part of here. We don't need this anymore, and we don't need this here anymore. Should look exactly the same to add quote, at least the database part. We don't need the stream in here. We don't need YouTube in here, but we need the database and also the get random number. I think this could work as well instantly. Twitch joke, Twitch quote, not needed here anymore. So any more jokes here? No joke. This is good. So this is already clean. This is Twitch utils is clean. Now let's go to the commands. So joke is here. Let's copy. Blah, blah, blah. So this is the joke number. It's joke add. This is also an async. Wait, I don't need to wait. This is not async at all. This is not async. I don't need to await. Joke add message object pa, and then we return message with the count, which gonna be joke number. So this is probably already done. Ah, of course I need to import a joke. Huh? What is wrong with joke? We're gonna be static. Should be public, right? Public static get. Muss schon richtig schreiben, Reke. Und du brauchst ja kein Get davor, sondern nur Quote natürlich. Ist mein Bot abgestürzt? Helles. Hä? Ah, ich weiß, warum das Ding nicht funktioniert, weil es nicht läuft. Jetzt check ich's. Okay. Yes, you can. You can use an ID instead. So public static get. Let's change it. So this is the add joke. Same as add quote, actually, is the same functionality. And then the one thing that we need to change is the joke command. There is the joke, and we just need to return joke get. No await needed. This is done. So let's test it locally. Add joke, joke saved, joke 20. So the IDs are actually not working correctly. Because the number returned is wrong. Let me just change this real quick here. Okay, this is working. So the joke, I'm returning the last inserted row ID -1. Why would I don't know why I decided to do this. This, I did the same for the quote, so this should be probably also should be wrong on the quote part because it's the same there. So last inserted row ID will always be a number, so I actually don't need to, so it's never empty. So whatever. So this is fixed too. Okay, but this is done for the jokes. I actually like this kind of refactoring here. Okay, done. Yeah, but I mean, as this, yeah, I don't know. This makes really much more sense to me to refactor some functionality as modules because it's just the maintainability will be so much better. The Twitch utils class is going to become smaller, and also some functions from the bot data is also they are also going to disappear inside of the modules, and it just, yeah, I don't know. I think it's going to be way better to debug in the future if I continue to use it like that. Mm-hmm. No, I'm not using any autoloader. I'm just importing them as needed. I don't know how to autoload on JavaScript. Probably would also be a good thing for the future. Translate if needed. This is also something else. Rick, I never thought about it, actually. I'm always just imported them as they were needed. So auto load JS classes. Dynamic import of JavaScript to add only required necessary class when needed. I don't get it. So hmm. I don't see anything about auto loading. Does not seem like this would be an easy task. There's nothing about like autoloader like we know it from Composer. So yeah, I don't know. Because this is just runtime, right? So this doesn't get compiled or anything or built. This is just everything gets done on runtime. This is not a front end project. I mean, of course, maybe we could build this also to a project, but I don't know. It kind of doesn't make sense to me. And also, I don't have any problem to just import a class when I need it. Okay, so rebuild the quote and the joke. What is next? Stream language, stream active, set stream, get user watch time text. So this is something that I would like to use a score text, ranking text. What about the chat score? This is something that I would like to put inside of rankings, I guess. Send test event, toggle kill switch, handle focus could be something. This could be something, but I guess I will need to reward pause. But actually, what about the translation? But this is also something else. Most of the functions actually need to stay here, I think. So I can think about the focus one, but how will I save the focus state? All inside of the focus class, of course. But will this work? Will the state work if yeah, so it's I need to, if I need to save a state, I need to create like invoke the class as new and not with static functions. Same goes for kill switch. I could create a kill switch class. I mean, it's just one function, but I still think that it will, like on the long term, it will just get better to maintain my code. Let's see. So kill switch is here, focus is here. First chatter is on runtime. This is also fine. I'm not sure if I need a Spotify thing here, but actually, yeah, I'm creating I know. So this is where I'm saving the classes. So instead of having a single variable right here with the focus and kill switch, I will have the classes in here, and there I will save the data. I guess this could work. I wanted to, so what about a kill switch? Kill switch. I have only the toggle function. And what about the fire message? So there's also kill switch. Okay. So let's create a kill switch module. So the version is 4. Sport class kill switch. Let's go back to the utils. So we're going to import kill switch right here, and we don't need, so controllers, modules, let's call it, let's make it like that, commands event. So this is very specific, but here we can go with public kill switch. Same goes for the focus. Okay, let's, no. Let's focus on kill switch first, one feature after another, of course. So let's create a kill switch there. Kill switch, okay. So let's see, kill switch. We have just the toggle function in here. So kill switch toggle. So we are saving here constructor kill switch boolean false. This is actually right. Type of kill switch is not undefined. Boolean kill switch status this kill switch. Let's call this status. And it's public. So for our Twitch utils, this means when I need kill switch is this kill switch dot status. Yeah, only here. Okay. So this could just work for a kill switch. And for the commands, there is a command. And we're going to use this Twitch kill switch toggle. Anything else? No. Okay. This is 4. So next part, kill switch. We could test this right now. Let's see if I'm missing something. We have this in Twitch util, so this is done. This kill switch status, kill switch module, and then Twitch commands, and then we have Twitch events. Let's go. This kill switch toggle. And I guess another one in here. Yes. Toggle. I can use set or no, let's set kill switch status set. If, oh, this is actually, if type of kill switch status is not Boolean, return. So we won't set anything. I think this is just, yeah, so we're talking about public set and public toggle. And on the events, let's set it to true and set it to false. It just makes more sense. Kill switch toggle. What, just once, yes, okay. But this is fine. Twitch events, so let's update this to the newest version. Nice. Okay, so let's test anything else with kill switch. Twitch utils, Twitch events, commands, and kill switch TS. No, this is done. So let's test the bot. Maybe we should log something. Log from at Propz helpers. Kill switch toggled to status. Kill switch set to status. Okay, now we can test. I'm actually not sure what is going to happen. So when I start a kill switch, new messages are coming in. But so this is just working, of course. But the one thing that I really liked here, I'm going to get the same wording because it just makes more sense for me. Kill switch is this status activated or deactivated? Yeah, I like it. So another small refactoring. Still I'm creating, yeah, but I mean this specific modules where I need to track the state globally. So let's edit. .1.10.4 crickets module to manage bot activity. Refactor message logic into message module. Yes, so this is actually the main thing that I did right here. Okay, let's go. I'm going to do the same for focus right now. So the commits are running crazy. I'm not sure if... So for the focus, let's go again. Create a new focus TS. Wait right there. This is the 10.5. I think this is going to be the last one for today. I have an appointment later. So export class focus. The functionality is pretty similar. So the first one, we need to redo it here. So we are talking about public focus, or this is actually private focus. Focus is type focus. This is not an JSX element. Did it import something? I don't think so. Let's... What's the problem here? Duplicate identifier. Ah, he added it actually right there. So, okay, so this is focus. Private focus, blah, blah, blah. We can, so we need the focus timer to 0 here. So we need to create a constructor with public timer number is 0. Private. So this is the focus. Yeah. So next thing here, this focus is new focus. So we have handle focus, toggle reward pause. This oh, he's just working with local methods, so this is fine. Handle focus. Let's see what we can do here. We have the toggle. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Handle focus command. So the command will be, will do this. Focus timer? Why is focus timer a timer? Ah, because of the turn off. I see. It is very satisfying to watch you while you're refactoring your code. Thank you, Heike. Thank you very much. I hope so, right? In a harmless way. Yeah, yeah. It is so satisfying to watch you refactor your code, Heike. I think it was unnecessary for you to post the second message, but now you just got us there. Refactoring with happy end. Oh God. He's satisfying himself while watching you code. Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. Draconia, everything is fine. He's just making himself happy. We need to stop. Okay, so where is the timer? Focus timer. Ah, so it was 0. It was actually a number. Timer is not an actual like timer number. But so this timer imports from at Propz. If you don't think about it, it doesn't exist. Yeah, exactly. Proctologists are satisfied while refactoring the code. Yes, thank you very much. Whatever floats your boat, yeah. You nailed it first. So we're talking about nailing and oh dude. Okay, you need to behave because Draconia will take every word you post and throw it back at you 10 times stronger. The only thing Draconia nails is your mom. Draconia, is it like the specific thing that you wanted to write in the chat right now? Danke, Draconia. I'm sorry, Draconia, this is too predictable. The only thing she's nailing is, you know, you're too predictable, Draconia. Maybe I'm starting to understand you better right now at this point. So what is wrong with the toggle reward pause? For get events, I see. I just need to pass the data. But I can pass Twitch as well. But this is something just needed for the focus. So we need the data because of the rewards. Okay, let's do this. So when I create the focus, there's the public timer, but there's also the private data of the type is, I think it's called bot data. we need to move this around. So bot data should go first because I actually want to set this bot data. Timer number, blah, blah, blah. So when I create the focus, I pass in this data. And we all know your mom is a White House answer these days. This is exactly true, DMD, which is crazy, but true, yes. This timer. What about this here? Get reward Slack is a helper, actually. Interesting. This is bot data, but we actually only want to type bot data here. Is it true? No, we don't want to type. We actually need to import the whole freaking... No, we just want to type because we're passing it. Okay, so toggle focus. We're passing in the focus status and the focus timer. Needs to be Boolean, needs to be a number. Toggle reward pause. Or maybe we should set reward pause because it's not actually toggling, we're setting it. Set reward pause, and here's the same thing. If type of focus status is not Boolean, return. Then we try. We get all the rewards and entries. Let's import the log too. We loop them, recreate, we disable focus. This data get event, disable and focus, continue. And then we update the custom rewards with the opposite if it's paused, right? Okay, this makes sense. So set reward pause. And here. Oh, we're actually fucking processing this here. Okay, fuck it. This is not bot data, this is actually Twitch. Twitch process event, this Twitch data, this Twitch data. So I will need to change it here. This. Oh, it's actually Twitch utils, not Twitch. Twitch utils. Okay, it's whatever. Let's call it set. So focus, start, or time. So it's a string or number. If is not numeric, then we don't want to use it at all. If there's a timer, this timer, we clear it because we're overwriting the, then we parse int, then we set the timeout, we toggle the current. Let's call it handle, and this is actually set. process event is async. It's whatever. This set false, this set true. And then we return whatever. We set the focus, we set the reward pause. So this should still work right away, I guess. Let's search for focus in here. Handle focus, toggle focus. So this, I can remove this right now. So this, but everything is fine. Anything else focused? This. It's actually this focus timer. Timer should be 0 or whatever. Focus timers. There's still more. Focus timer. Not anymore. Yeah, everything is fine right now. So this is good. So this is the focus. We still need to change the command. So let's update the version first, and then we're going to focus. Where is my focus? Oh, this is disable focus. This is not what I want. I want this here. And the handler is pretty sweet. So we are doing the Twitch focus. Dude, fuck off. Focus handle. Focus is private, right? So I need to make it public actually. Handle focus, blah, blah, blah. If not focus timer, return, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So this should. Are you a borked SQL statement because you keep failing to insert? It's a pipeline issue. It's not that hard. Tut mir leid fürs Witze ignorieren. Wie kann das bloß sein? Focus, blah, blah, blah. So this is still the same. I just changed to a class right there. And the handle function is actually doing the magic. He has the timer for the focus, the public timer here. Handle set reward pause. Yeah, so but this is actually the logic for the focus. So this is exactly the reason why I decided to turn a little bit of the code into modules, because this just makes sense. Every feature is a module. Let's test. So this is working. Now we can check. Oh, actually, they're canceling each other out, or they're not. So this seems to work. There's an alias for focus with K and C, Reke. You know what? I think this is working. It's whatever. But actually we focus. Yes, exactly what I thought. So this Twitch focus handle for 7. Twitch focus. in Twitch command and events. Yes, this is exactly right. Nice. You know what, guys? I think I'm done for today. 10:05. The focus is also there. So, but this is exactly what I wanted to do this. So the maintainability will be much better in the future. With maybe I also need to differentiate between modules as like focus and giveaway and joke and quote, because it's kind of bot internal modules, and we have like external modules like Better TTV, DeepL, Frankerface, Gemini. Maybe also differentiate between them, but yeah. So, redet ihr das ruhig ein? Naja, hey Morzi, wie ist die Lage? But you know what? So I'm going to do the last commit and then I'm done for today. Just a short stream, but it's fine. Exactly, Reke. What the fuck happened there? Version F? Whatever. Okay. Let's push it. So this is now done. Bye. So yes, quick 6 hours of streaming. Let's go. Who is streaming today? Entwickler WG. Ruby. So, but we're looking for English-speaking streamers, yes? What about Ooze? 2 pixels. They're also cool. Let's look for English-speaking streamers. Let's go with English. Tim Boudreau. Yeah, I'm really not sure. Maybe Andy Lipping. He's just chatting. What is he doing there? OBS content creation for streamer bot. Not sure.
Aus irgendeinem Grund sagt, ich habe 2 OBS-Instanzen offen. Oh.
Dann vielleicht einfach mal mit dem Task Manager killen.
The next stream is we're gonna be in on Monday, Reka. Today it's done for today. Later we have an appointment and then we going to the gym, and then it's just fine. So what about another raid to Kati? She is great.
Schlecht aus.
We rated her once this week, but you know what? I don't care. Gonna rate her again because she's pretty cool. And she will speak German and English.
Machen wir nochmal an. Also mal auf.
Guys, thank you very much for joining the stream today, for spending some time with me. I hope, oh, there are now ads, whatever. I hope you're doing good. And
Ich weiß aber auch ehrlich gesagt nicht, was hier so...
yeah, just wish you a wonderful weekend and we're gonna see each other again on Monday. So, danke an alle. Vielen Dank, dass ihr da wart. Thank you very much. I wish you just a wonderful day and a wonderful freaking evening and weekend, of course. I wanna say weekend always. Whatever. Danke euch allen. Vielen, vielen Dank, Liebe, und bis Montag.
Okay, let's go.